Most people think they know what jellyback is, but Jamaicans actually use this word in two different ways. Jamaican slang of the day, jellyback. First meaning, a jellyback is somebody who's soft, somebody who not stand up for themselves and make people walk all over them. You know the type. Everybody a push them around and them just accept everything. Jamaicans would say, stop move like you're jellyback. Now the second meaning usually come up in woman conversation. When some woman say them no want no jellyback man, them basically talking about a man who weak and can't perform properly. Same idea again. Too soft. So whether it's a personality or performance, Jamaican use jellyback to describe somebody who lacking firmness. And if you love learning the real meaning behind Jamaican saying like this, check out the book Things Jamaicans Say versus What They Really Mean. Link in bio. And if you rate the culture and love what me I wear, grab the merch too. Link in bio. Zane, big up yourself.